Hello, my name is Randy Manetti, and I'm here to talk about multiple funnel income for beginners. Now, this course that I'm going to talk about is for anybody, but especially for beginners that don't know anything about starting a business from home. You know, how to promote the business, how to get their business online, where to advertise, where to get leads. This is an all-inclusive, step-by-step course. Now, one thing really nice I like about the course is Justin, that developed it, has a video, and also with the video has written information that goes with the video, so you can follow along with the written information. You don't have to worry about having a pencil and paper and taking notes very quickly because it's all there. So this is a very easy course to follow along. It's a very easy course to have when you're starting out. Even I've heard some people that have been online for 16 years and have learned stuff from this course. It's a very in-depth, very detailed course for anybody. So if you're looking to make money from home and you want to quit your job, this is a great course. So please, at the end of this video, hit the link below the video and for more information. Once again, this is for somebody who's eager to quit their job, eager to make more money. So there's no excuses. This course is just a little bit more than what some people spend at Starbucks for our coffee. So you can get started for just $7. So please start today. Don't put it off to tomorrow, next week. Start today. How long is it going to take you to make this money to where you can quit your job? Some people do it in 6 months. Some people do it at 9. Some people do it in a year. And then there's those that have done it in 90 days or less. So it all depends on your ability and your enthusiasm, how much you really want this, what your goal is, what your desire is. You know, the more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. I promise you, it's all there. Everything you need is in this course for you to be successful. And Justin, really, that's what pleases him, is to see you succeed. You know, you're not just a number to Justin, you're a person. And Justin wants you to succeed. So please, try the course out. Just click the link and get started. And you can, if you have the desire, once again, I know I keep on saying it, desire, because it's very key. It's not, there's no such thing as a push a button and you start making money. This is something where that you have got to have the desire that, just like when you go to work, if you just sit in your chair at work, are they going to pay you? No, you got to do something. And it's the same thing with work at home. Yes, you're probably going to work 4 hours or less to start with, but like anything else, the longer you do it, the more proficient you get at it, and the less time you put into it. And probably over a period of time, the more money you'll be making. Say, Randy, how long is it going to be before I can quit my job, fire my boss? That's pretty much up to you. The more time you put into it, the faster you're going to grow. And just dive into it. When you get into your pool or get into a pool, you don't just put your toe in. You jump into the pool, and that's what you got to do here. You got to jump in with all your effort, with all your will. Then you'll be successful. Then you'll be able to quit your job, and you'll have that stable income that a lot of people just dream of having. So, thank you very much, and you have a great day.